Okay, so what we got going on today is this laptop has a broken DC jack inside of it, and it's deep. So I'm going to show you one way of taking it apart for this model. You just need to get yourself a little screwdriver like this from Walmart. It's a multi-screwdriver. Got, just your small precision screwdriver. You don't have to get one exactly like this. Just enough that it has one for Phillips. What we're going to do is take some screws off the bottom. This particular model, you're not going to have warranty on it anymore, so don't really have to worry about voiding your warranty by taking this apart. Unless you bought some extensive plan that I'm not aware of, and, if you have warranty, take it to the shop that, warranty's from. A couple more screws here, and then we're going to get the cover off. It's just a bottom plate. The way to do new laptops anymore, or for at least for the Lenovo brand, they have the battery internal, so you can't just take and remove it like normal. You have to take the screws out. Now, if you were to take this to a shop to have them fixed, I would estimate or guesstimate that somebody would charge somewhere in the ballpark of probably $75 to $125 to take this apart. So if you're doing this for yourself, it's good that you're saving yourself money. If you have this done before professionally on this particular model and would like to share how much you paid for it, please leave that as a comment. Or if you are charging a customer an X amount of price, again, let us know what the cost is. That kind of thing is important for people to weigh their options of whether they want to take and get this fixed in a shop or do it themselves. Now, the question is, how do we get into this easily? There we go. A little slot up here, and just put my flat tip in. And it should just all pop. You don't want to put a lot of pressure anywhere. Definitely don't want to put any downward pressure because the screen's below everywhere you're working on. Definitely don't want to break the screen. I wanted to show this in real time, that way you kind of have an expectation of how long it's going to take you to do it. Alright, so that's off. Here's your battery, by the way. If you ever have to change your battery, there's your battery, a couple screws. I'm sure this is where the battery goes in. And here's the socket for your charging. As you can see, it's protected by the hinge for your screen, your monitor. So we're going to take these 3 screws out, and I think this should just kind of just lift up out of the way or something. It should move. That way we can get our hands onto the DC jack. If you needed to take and just replace your DC jack, this would be another way to take and get in. to replace it. May not be as simple as I thought. I was kind of hoping that would just lift up out of place. There we go. Just lift the whole thing up and it'll just move. And here's your DC jack for your charging ports right here. And you can just easily remove that if you need to replace it. So that's how you would take and replace your DC jack. Now, to get the object out, we're going to have to get a pair of pliers or tweezers or something. Kind of shove in there and get it out of there. From pretty much here on out, if you're just doing a removal, then you're done with this video. And appreciate your comments and thumbs up for it. That's as simple as it can be. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Now, if you're stuck around to take and figure out how to get this piece out of the socket, I'm going to use I guess it would be a sewing needle pin. And we're going to try digging it out. I don't know the model of this laptop, so it's going to be kind of hard to take in, because there's no nameplate that I could see on the outside. I don't know if the nameplate's on the inside or what. I believe it's like an IdeaPad ThinkPad, but I know nothing about Lenovo stuff, other than, you know, how to take it apart and whatnot. All I'm doing is picking at the plastic and try to bring it up close to the surface. Now, I've seen people take and use hot glue and pull it out with hot glue and super glue. As you can see, or maybe not, I don't know what you can and can't see. I've brought this back up to the surface. And I'm going to get this pin, this socket, out of there. And just like that. There you go. And that's what I use. Sewing needle with a little plastic knob on it. So, if you stuck around for that, congratulations. Hopefully you'll be able to fix your problem. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.